world is changing, and we are surrounded by uncertainties. But one thing is certain. We need to prepare, and the time is now. Introducing the U-Pak Pro by Instinct Ready, the most versatile, practical, and functional 72-hour survival system available. Whether you are fleeing a disaster or going on a weekend adventure, the U-Pak Pro is stocked with life-saving gear to sustain you, featuring a convenient internal storage system to keep your gear organized and accessible. Maintain peak hydration performance with emergency water, water filter, water bottle, and hydration bladder. Stay energized with delicious non-GMO and nut-free food rations and a portable lightweight cooking kit. The U-Pak Pro introduces an industry-leading shelter and warmth solution, allowing you to not just survive, but thrive. Unique to the U-Pak Pro is a custom storage cube for your clothing, including recommendations of what to pack. Stay clean, fresh, and comfortable with daily toiletries. During harsh conditions, you can breathe easy and see clearly with the N95 mask and safety goggles. When an unexpected medical emergency arises, the first aid kit is accessible and ready to go. Improvise, adapt, and overcome changing circumstances with a variety of tools to light and find your way. Stay informed and keep charged. And while other bags focus only on starting a fire, we help you keep it fueled with our foldable handsaw. When on the run, your gear is only as good as the bag it's in, which is why we focused on such a high-quality, durable backpack. The sturdy, water-resistant fabric will hold up when you need it the most. The laser-cut MOLLE webbing system gives you the versatility to attach additional gear to the outside of the bag. Though often overlooked with other systems, the U-Pak Pro provides a spacious and roomy interior, ensuring sufficient space for additional items you want, giving you a truly customizable and personal experience. The padded shoulder and included hip straps help evenly distribute weight, allowing for increased comfort and stability. The U-Pak Pro was designed for survival, but to maximize your value, it is ideal for everyday adventure too. Don't just buy it and stow it away. Use it, and use it often, so when disaster strikes, you will be Instinct Ready.
Two of Instinct Ready's founders are active first responders and industry educators who know firsthand and teach the importance of emergency preparedness. Our goal is to educate, prepare, and equip you to respond confidently to disasters and emergencies. When you join our backer community, we will give you free access to our 2-hour Fundamentals of Disaster Preparedness class. We urge you, prepare now and protect your family, because preparedness starts at home.
So whether you are preparing for a potential disaster or an outdoor adventure, don't just be ready. Be Instinct Ready with the U-Pak Pro. Survival built, adventure ready.